Jenny and Stevery and Alexa. For the month of March, Aramdaunjayan gave her scholar money. For Jenny, 5,000 pesos.
아름다운자연님 감사합니다.
For Anne, 4,000 pesos.
아름다운자연님 감사합니다.
For Alexa, 4,000 pesos.
아름다운자연님 감사합니다.
And for Stevery, 4,000 pesos.
아름다운자연님 감사합니다. 아름다운자연님 감사합니다. Thank you for the allowance this month, and since we almost graduating in senior high school and junior high school, we will always appreciate your gratitude towards our journey in academics, and thank you for always supporting us since our past academic journey in life. 아름다운자연님 감사합니다. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo, Jenny and Stevery and Alexa. Since you have a good grades for this quarter, Aramdaunjayan give you an incentive. Each of you have 2,000 pesos. For Jenny, as an honor student in college, 2,000 pesos.
아름다운자연님 감사합니다.
For Anne, as an with high honor and also a top one in her class, 2,000 pesos.
아름다운자연님 감사합니다.
And for Stevery, as a consistent honor student in her class, 2,000 pesos.
아름다운자연님 감사합니다.
And also for Alexa, as a top 2 in her class with high honor, 2,000 pesos. Aramdaunjayan give you.
아름다운자연님 감사합니다. 아름다운자연님 감사합니다.
Congratulations and keep up the good work in your studies.
Yes. 안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So Aramdaunjayan gave 2,000 pesos each for Mama is food allowance. 2,000 pesos.
Aramdaunjayan, kamsahamnida.
And for father of Jenny is pocket money 2,000 pesos.
아름다운자연 감사합니다.
And lastly, for food allowance of mother of Jenny 2,000 pesos.
아름다운자연님 감사합니다.
Aramdaunjayan, kamsahamnida. Have a good health always in Korea and thank you so much. Pag-amping permi.
Pinternet, salamat.
Bye.
Bye.